Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back. I have a few more entries into the mini pocket letter swap and raffle. So this one here comes from BB Crafts, and we all know Brittany on YouTube and Instagram. So look at how adorable these little pockets, and put this gorgeous shiny tissue paper over to the side. She does have, a card, and then I'm thinking she made one for me. Look at how cute these are, guys. Holy moly, these little envelopes. And then she put some acetate in the center just to make them a little bit bigger, a little see-through pocket. I absolutely love it. So let's put these over here, and we will take a look at the one that Brittany sent for me with this card. And it's so funny because I'm seeing a lot of gals using this this paper collection. Okay, so Brittany sent a card. Thank you so much for hosting this swap and letting me take part. I do hope you're doing well, and that whomever will enjoy what I've made, and I am sure they will, Brittany. All right, so let's put this over here. And let's take a look at this. Oh, it's got this really pretty clip. I hope I didn't mess it up by that falling off. This is like the spring farmers market collection. Look at how cute. Look at how she took that, what is that called? Like the awning type of sticker, and put that there. So cute. I love the boot, and I love this paper. And then on the back, let's see what she included. And then we'll go back to that beautiful clip there. So she has some white, oh, these are pretty. They're like a delicate white paper butterfly, real pretty. And then she has here handmade by BB's Crafts, so you will know that, you know, who this one is from. And then here we have some lemon vitamin C herbal tea. Like I said, I can't wait for the collection. I'll talk about that later. And then this really nice sequins mix with some greens and some iridescence in there. That is really pretty. I like that. Some stars, super cute. Thank you, Brittany, for entering. So let's put this back here. Okay, and then I can't get over this little envelope. What a great idea. What a great, and I don't know if maybe when she measured out the paper, it just wasn't working out right and she needed to make it a little bit bigger. What a great way to do that. And then you get like a little sneak peek of what's inside. All right, so here's a clip that was included. That's gonna dangle there, right? And if I can get this a little bit closer, so she attached some flowers on some jump rings. Oh, and use that little clip there that everyone's been using to make their little ribbon and paper, what are we calling them? Tassels? Like paper tassels, ribbon tassels. But it's just a cute way to just add a couple pieces of ribbon or trim together. And then she has some really cute charms. You see the little blue butterfly attached. She used a bunch of different color jump rings, which just makes everything pop on here. And then the umbrella, super cute with the flowers, and then this pretty bow on top. And this, I believe this was kind of holding everything together. And then you could go ahead, whoops, maybe not the whole thing. You could go ahead and take that and just put that on any little, maybe on, oh, you know what? That would look cute as like a bookmark, right? All right. You see, I just broke that. I'll fix it. All right, guys. So here is Brittany's entry, and thank you so much for entering, girly. And our next entry is from Maria. She is Pretty Crafty on Instagram, and Maria Reyes on YouTube. So let's check out her entry. Ooh, lovely, lovely. Take it out carefully. And thank you for supporting Pretty Mix Studio. Crafting with NC. Oh, that's Natalie's store. Another great gal. Okay, so let's see. We have some Easter fun here. Oops, I see some things. Let's see. Let's put that there. Figure out where that goes. Pull the Easter grass away for a moment. Okay, so we have, oh, these adorable Easter themed pocket letters. I made one for you to pick one and keep for yourself. Love, Maria. Thank you, Maria, so much. So that's a little extra piece. We'll figure out where that goes. So let's just line these up and see how cute they are. Oh my, oh, I love this one, the carousel one. All right, it looks like that should have been like that, the glue. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so Easter, there's 2 Easter, and then there's 2 carousel. Oh, I love them all. All right, let's flip them over. I love the little bow. I have ribbon like this, but it's, oh, I had a dream last night. I was gonna make a ton of bows with a particular ribbon. I don't remember what the ribbon is now. I'll have to think about that. And if it actually is something that I should do. So really cute with this ombre ribbon. Let's flip them over here. She put a cute starburst in there. Oh, look at her tags. Oh, Maria. I love these. It does have her address on here, so I'm not going to zoom in too much, but they're little tickets. They're like ticket stickers. Oh, I love them. You'll have to let me know where you ordered those from. So in the back are a ton of little goodies. I don't want to go, oh, I like those. And then her tea bag. Tezo Zen green tea with lemongrass and spearmint. That sounds delicious. So Maria, thank you so much for your entry. All right, guys, and then we also have from Rebecca in Kentucky. Rebecca sent hers in all individually. So that's actually a pretty good idea because we're going to see what 2 stamps was able to send. And I will also probably be sending a lot of these back like this. All right, so let's take a look here. We can just pull them right out. So she sent 3. I received 2 so far. And let's just take these out of here. Okay. Ooh, very pretty. Pretty. So if you guys can see, it has the teals and the pinks. So nice. There's a shaker pocket in the center that is sealed off really well. A cute bow inside there. Oh, these little flowers and butterflies. Let's flip them over. I like the tassel. And just some theme difference. So we have green on this one, pink, green on this one, pink on this one. Some bling on the inside. And I did, excuse me, tell Rebecca that I would add that tea bag for her. Okay, so very cute. Thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Brittany. And we have some, I know that we have some more coming in the mail today. I'm just trying to keep up with these. All right, guys, thank you for everyone who joined. Thank you for everyone who is watching. And I will see you in the next video.